I have witnessed more people showing up regularly because they can do it from home. In fact, I think that more of my students have reached flow state virtually, being at home, than in the classroom, because they're in the comfort of their own home. Because Flowshala focuses on the mindset piece as much as the physical piece, that is the thing that is making this work. That is what's making it most accessible to other people. That's what's giving people most success in being consistent, in coming and showing up for class, in letting it remove their stress, letting it become the thing that holds them together as it seems like the rest of the world is falling apart. So having that one consistent thing that they can rely on, which is, their membership at Flowshala. They're showing up for their fitness class, they're showing up for the free meditation classes, they're showing up for their coach, they're showing up for themselves, they're showing up for the other members in the class.